Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will help how to study Math Good full guide. Start by organizing materials and setting specific goals before you open a textbook. Break topics into bite-sized practice sessions and prioritize weaknesses first. Use active recall and spaced repetition to cement concepts and work out full problems rather than rereading solutions. Keep a cheat sheet for formulas and review it briefly each day to reinforce learning and confidence. Start with easier problems and gradually increase difficulty to build strong foundations and avoid frustration. Mix problem types to force flexible thinking and avoid pattern recognition traps. After solving, explain each step aloud or write a brief justification as if teaching someone else. Review mistakes carefully and redo problems until you can solve them without hints. Balance practice with conceptual review so skills and understanding grow. Adopt tools that reinforce memory like flashcards for formulas and theorems and review them on a schedule. Keep a small error notebook to document mistakes, patterns, and alternative strategies to prevent repetition. Maintain consistent study routines with set times, comfortable lighting, and minimal distractions. Take short movement breaks to reset focus and ensure adequate sleep to consolidate learning. These small habits compound into steady improvement and more confident performance on assessments.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.